you work with multiple views in a Monday.com board, here's something you might not know because it's a new feature. Where you add a column determines where it appears in all views or just one. In this example, I have two views, F1 and NASCAR. They currently have the same columns. If I go into the F1 view and add a column like email or files, those columns will only appear in the filtered view, not in the NASCAR view. But if I add a column from the main table, for an example, a status column, that column will automatically be added to every view on the board. So, if you want a column to be added view-specific, add it directly from that view. If you want it applied across all views, add it to the main table. If you want to find out more tips and tricks like this, subscribe to our channel.